spread of COVID-19 during this voyage, a face covering that covers your mouth and nose must be worn for the duration of time that you are on the vessel. In addition, please practice physical distancing and remain at least 2 meters apart, away from guests who are not part of your family group. This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, our trained crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the labeled storage containers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled on the storage containers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery when moving about the vessel. Please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs and disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing Falls Niagara Cruises.